you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Joy and I share all things fashion, styling and beauty. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And if you're stopping by for the first time, welcome. If you're a returning friend, welcome. I hope you guys have been doing well. Anyways, we're gonna dive straight into this video and it's all about Zara. Oh my god. Okay, first things first, I haven't seen a pink Zara box or package. I was like, okay, what's going on? When it came, I was like, I'm not expecting anything in a pink box. And then I look at Zara. I'm used to that. Someone let me know, am I new or something that has been ongoing and I don't know about? Because I know of the beige or carton color pack that they usually come in, but seeing this pink, I don't know if it's a spring thing or is there like new stuff, but I am here for it. I love the packaging. It's super cute. It just makes me want to shop all things Zara right now. So I just get this beautiful pink box delivered to my house, and using white font is just perfect. Anyways, let's see what's inside. I haven't opened it. It was something I got for myself a long time. I don't know why Zara took forever to deliver this, but anyways, I'm sure you can hear already. This sea green earrings, flower earrings from them a while back, and I really love these earrings. Oh my god, if you follow me on my Instagram, which I'm going to tag on the screen for you guys, you know I love these earrings. I'm always sharing about them and talking about them. What did I get? I just got more accessories. Oh, the packaging is super cute. Zara, take my money. Okay, so I got this. You know I love pearls. I always talk about pearls. So I got this necklace that has pearl on it. It's a chain, and let's see what it looks like. This was this 90? For a second I was like, why is this so short? So this is a bracelet. Yes, not a necklace, my bad, I'm sorry. Oh, but yes, this is so hard. These strings they use to secure it, well, it's good, but yeah, this is what they look like. Oh, I am in love. So this is how it's gonna go, which I would definitely need the help of George to put these on, but this is what they look like on. If you have both together, I think it's so gorgeous. Like, what do you think? I think it's just perfect. It's so nice. It's so me. It's so me. I love when I buy things that are just me. So this is my first impression. Like, I haven't seen any of this prior to this unboxing, and I really love this. I think I've just said that. I was probably buying this at night. Is this not perfect? Oh my god, this is so nice. Let's put this on. Okay, this is what they look like on. They are perfect. Oh gosh, like I really do love this. Like, I need to, like, my mirror is like far away, but like, oh, what do you think? The last one, I don't know, I just have a bunch of things. Is this was here? Oh, this is super cool. This is what this last one looks like. Let's just try this on. It's a chain. This was like 17. Things are like $17. Before I spend, I don't know, it has to be occasionally, and I just go on Shopbop or I go on like Revolve to get some of my jewelries. If I'm not wearing like the fashion jewelries, if I want something good, something quality, I just go on there. Zara too is also good. I don't really shop so much on Zara, but like the times I do get good stuff, and just like those earrings and a couple of clothes I just get here and there, but like I'm not like a die-hard Zara fan. I think basically because I don't know, one day I'm not here in Oklahoma, so that kind of like killed my spirit. When I was in the UK, I would shop Zara a lot, but as I moved here and I saw that no Zara here, I've shopped online. I'm not really much big on shopping online, so I think that's what also killed my spirit. But yeah, this time I was like, let me try them out, and this is super cute. I do love this. This is not perfect. I think everything is just, I'm happy. I'm happy. Do you ever buy something and then you're just like, I'm happy? I'm happy. That's just how I feel right now. So I'm gonna leave like the links to the actual points where I got this from. But what do you think? Are they nice? I knew from the packaging it was going to be super cute, and I really do love these pieces. I've said this so many times, but yeah, make sure you follow me on my socials, and make sure you also follow me in on all my channels as well. Yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think and which piece is your favorite. I just have all these things sticking out, I don't know what's wrong, and let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. In the meantime, I'll catch you all later. Bye.